Hey everybody, welcome back. We're on section 1.3. Inside of this section, we're going to be looking at frequency tables, and levels of measurement. First video is going to be looking at that last part, levels of measurement. And we're going to be learning about the vocabulary involving our variables. So here's the 4 different levels of measurement. And we're going to start with the most nondescript and go to the most descriptive, if you can remember it like that. So nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. So the nominal scale is all of our qualitative data. This is all of our everything with words, and they can't be sorted and they can't be calculated. It's just a description, such as the name of toppings on a pizza. Ordinal scale comes from the Greek word ordin for order, and we're going to be taking all of that nominal data, everything with words, and then putting it in an order. So this is pretty similar to nominal, it just can be ordered. So for example, the top 5 national parks, based on whoever's opinion, that's qualitative data because it's the name of a park, but we're putting it in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so that's giving it order, and so it's ordinal scale. This cannot be used in any sort of calculations, it's just a ranking system. And this, so this can't be like the square miles of these state parks, unless we put that in an order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Interval scale. So it's similar to ordinal because it has a definite ordering, but the difference is between interval scale can be measured though the data doesn't have a starting point. So this, a good example of this would be like the temperature readings on a thermometer. And these can be ordered. They are specific numbers, but there is no zero value. So they can have negative temperatures, negative values. They can be used in calculations, but it's hard to compare them. 80 degrees Celsius is not 4 times as hot as 20 degrees because the scale doesn't start at 0. So it can go into the negatives. Then the final one is the ratio scale. It's just like the interval scale. It can be calculated. We are numerical now, but this also has a lowest point of 0. So it has 0 point, and ratios can be calculated. So for example, if you score 80, 68, 20, 22 on a possible 100 points on a final exam, the exams can be put in order. The differences have meaning. So between 92 and 68, we know more about what that means. We also know like a score of 80 is 4 times a score of 20 because this test had a balance, a leveling off point of 0. All right, and then that's it for the first video. Next part, we're going to talk about frequency and frequency tables. All right, thanks. Bye.